Hello, friends. Blessed are the merciful, Jesus said, for they will receive mercy. We know God freely gives mercy, but does He seek it as well? Does God want to receive mercy from us? Of course, God is not morally culpable for any wrongdoing, yet in our emotional weakness and ignorance, we still blame Him for pains we feel. He doesn't get defensive in these times, nor does He demand that we recant. He simply seeks our forgiveness. This doesn't imply guilt. It displays the kindness of an innocent person who would humble himself to the point of an apology in order to stay in a relationship with another. When you love someone, you apologize for the pain they believe you caused, even if you didn't cause it. God is not above issuing such an apology. See Jeremiah 42:10. Godspeed, my friends.